This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge them and enable the phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct so discovery is instant. Put the Gamepad into pairing mode, look for a blinking LED, and on your phone choose the device name. Once paired, test basic inputs in a device settings page or a simple game to confirm buttons and sticks register correctly. If prompted, grant location or permission for discovery. This prevents pairing drops and speeds the process. Once connected, configure how inputs translate to touch or game controls. Install the official app or a trusted mapper, then calibrate sticks so neutral zones register. Set dead zones around 0, 5 to 0, 15 to avoid drift. Remap buttons to match the game layout, drag virtual buttons to match physical inputs, then save a profile per game. Test movement, aiming, and triggers in short drills. Make incremental sensitivity changes, and confirm. To finish, optimize for low latency. Enable high-performance mode in phone settings, use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and close background apps that tax CPU. If you experience lag, update the Gamepad firmware and phone OS, then repair the devices. When inputs fail, restart both devices, try a different USB/Bluetooth profile, or replace batteries. If drift persists, recalibrate or contact support. Otherwise, save a device profile so you don't repeat setup each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.